Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account public. So if your TikTok account is private, only your followers can see your videos. People who want to follow you need to request permission, which you can either accept or deny according to your preference. And if you make your account public, anyone on TikTok can see your videos if you set the video privacy to everyone. This is important if you want to grow your TikTok account and make your videos discoverable. So private videos are only visible to your followers. And here's how to go ahead and make your account public. Tap on the profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then after, select the three lines in the top right corner. After that, select Settings and Privacy. Now select Privacy, which is under the Accounts section, also between the Account and Security and Permissions. Here under Discoverability, you'll get the option of Private Account, and it's indicating that with a private account, only users that you approve can follow you and watch your videos, and your existing followers won't be affected. So there is a toggle beside that. Go ahead and simply toggle this option off, and then select Switch from the bottom of the screen, and you'll be done. That's it. Your account is now public. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.